Publishing a Confluence page is a straightforward process that allows you to share your content with team members or the public. Here's how to do it. Create or edit your page. Start by navigating to the space where you want to publish your page. You can either create a new page by clicking the Create button or edit an existing page by selecting it from the list and clicking the Edit button. Add content. In the editor, add your text, images, tables, and other content as needed. Confluence offers various formatting options, such as headings, bullet points, and macros to enhance your content. Review your page. Before publishing, it's a good practice to review your content for any errors or formatting issues. You can use the preview function to see how the page will look when published. Publish the page. Once you're satisfied with your content, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. This makes your page visible to others in the space. Share the page. After publishing, you can share the page link with your team or set permissions if you want to restrict access.